Hey, I wanted to shoot this video because I want to share with you some new stuff that just came out from my mentor. But before I get to that, I want to share with you 3 steps that I noticed when I was doing some research on Tom Bilyeu, Anthony Robbins, and Oprah Winfrey. There are 3 people that I really look up to and are very successful, and they couldn't be any further apart in their success. Obviously, you know, Anthony Robbins is extremely successful in the personal development and self-help, you know, career. And Oprah is one of the most powerful media moguls of all time, billionaire. And Tom Bilyeu was a guy who couldn't find enough change to put gas in his car, and turned that into a $1 billion plus industry with 5,000% growth in 5 years. So all of these people are super successful, super great with people and to people. And what I got from doing the research on them is that they all believe in 3 simple steps to become successful. The first one of those is to take responsibility for where you're at and see where you want to be. Meaning, if you're here and you want to go here, be responsible. You're where you're at because of your actions. It doesn't matter what may have happened in the past is that. The fact that you're there now is a choice because you haven't taken whatever action is necessary. And don't tell me, oh, I tried something and it didn't work. It's a something, not everything. I know this. I talk to people all the time. I hear all the negativity. This doesn't work, that doesn't work. How long did you try it? Well, I tried it for a week. Well, crap. Nothing works in a week. You know, do you go to the gym for a week and go, well, I worked out 3 days this week. I should be in perfect shape. It's bullcrap. There's no difference. Okay, so taking responsibility for where you're at and acknowledging where you want to go. That's number 1. Number 2 is learning valuable skills to take you from where you are today to where you want to be in the future. And in my case, I wanted to be able to live anywhere in the world and make a good living doing that. And I didn't want to have to be wed to a job, wed to clients that are always asking me to do more for them. And even when I do a great job, like I used to do as a commercial real estate and business broker, the people, then they would still, oh, you did a great job, but maybe you can, you know, give me a deal. It's like, wait, the deal is I got you everything you wanted and more, and now you want me to cut my fee? That model was a horrible model for me. And after doing that for 20 plus years, I just got tired of it. And I had to move on. Fortunately, I found this, and I'm learning new skills. Skills that are automation, systems and automation that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so I don't have to. If you find in your life you're not getting what you want done, you're not there for your kids, you're tired of a long commute, you're tired of long hours of work and short vacations, hey, this is a way that you can do it. You can check out this system. It's risk-free. I'm sorry, let's get back. Number 3, and this is a really powerful thing. Don't just learn new skills and keep them in your head. Turn around and teach them and use them to help others. I know that it sounds like, well, how does that help me? Well, it helps you in many ways. First and foremost is when you turn around and teach something that you learn, not only are you helping the person you're teaching, but you're helping yourself by sharpening your mental blade, because people will ask you questions, and that will force you to think about answers and really see how well you learn those lessons. But if you do these 3 things, take responsibility for where you're at, take the time to acquire skills that'll elevate you, and then turn around and help others, I promise you, your life will be different no matter what. Whether you work with me, the SFM, in any area of life, you take these 3 steps, your life will improve. Okay, now I want to get back to the little thing that I talked about in the beginning, which is the workshop. There's a link down below. If you want, click that link, and it's set up like kind of like it's unlocked. So if you want to watch, there's 4 workshops. You can watch them all at once or one at a time, however you want to do it. You'll have that link to do so. But if you watch these 4 workshops and these are not these are brand new. They just came out a few weeks ago. If you watch these and none of these excite you, then this career and this opportunity and this education probably isn't for you. But if it's not of interest because you have limiting beliefs about your ability, I challenge you to rethink that. Limiting beliefs means you have a limited life, which means by definition, you're limiting yourself. It's time. I don't know you personally, but I guarantee you deserve better, because 99% of the people walking on this planet hold themselves back. This is a way to elevate yourself. I'm here to help you, push you through the system so that you can do better, achieve more, and have more in your life. If you want to learn more about what I'm talking about, click the link below that says workshop. And as always, if you want to talk with me, you can always reach out and contact me through the contact page at lifewithoutaboss.com. I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you or talking to you soon. Take care. Bye.
Here's the reality. I preach to the fucking choir. I am not trying to convince people. The truth of the fucking world is that until you take ownership of everything in your life, until you stop making excuses and blaming anybody, you will never go as far as you could go. Never. I don't care. I don't give a fuck about fairness, any of that bullshit. Like, the reality is, if that's how you think, you will go less far than somebody who takes ownership of everything, no matter how absurd. That is the truth of the world. I don't know what people want me to say. If you go underwater and try to breathe without an apparatus, you will fucking drown. That's the truth. Whether people want to agree with me on that or not is totally irrelevant to my life. My very definition of power is you close your eyes, you imagine a world that is better than the one that you currently live in, one that you want to be real. And then you open your eyes and you have the ability to make that world come true. That's power. That is power. If you want to cultivate that power in your life, it comes down to busting your ass to gain skills that matter to you and live in service not only of yourself, but of other people. So that's how I increased my productivity and discipline, because I care about what I'm doing. It makes me feel alive. It makes me feel energized. It is exciting. I wake up excited